All right, eighth grade English. We are going to be writing today, and we are going to be writing friendly letters. All right, friendly letters. We have good and bad. In part one, it says compare the two letters below. Which one is better? Which one is a better letter and why? Look at letter A. Dear Steve, how's it going with you? I'm fine right soon. Your friend Pete. Or letter B. Dear Steve, things aren't the same on the block since you moved away. When the guys get together for a game, we really need you at shortstop. I miss walking to school with you too. Remember all the fun we used to have? At least you're lucky that you didn't have to take the killer test in Miss Callie's class. How do you like your new town and school? Right soon, Pete. Well, obviously, letter B is better. It has a lot more information in it. It asks more than one question, gives information as to what's going on. So, what you are going to be doing today is it says, part two, the letter below does not really say anything about the writer's day at school. Rewrite it in the lines provided. Make it more meaningful by giving details, real or imagined, about your own day at school. Now, we're under a unique situation by having remote learning. So you can write a letter to your mom. Say she, had to go into quarantine away from the family. So you're going to write to her about how your day is going. The bad letter says, Dear Mom, how are you? I'm busy at school. See you later, love. And then you'd sign your name. Now, you have lines where you can handwrite it, you could put a text box in and type it. So, and you could even use the voice part and record what you want to say. So, you are going to expand on the letter to your mom, telling her about your day. You've got check ins, you've got possible live classes, you've got work that you've been doing. Did you take a lunch break? What went on in your day? So, you're going to finish this letter and then you are going to submit. Don't forget to submit it to me through Canvas when finished. Good luck and have fun.